Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to lock WhatsApp with your fingerprint. So we are going to add security. So WhatsApp open only with your fingerprint. On top right you see three dots, so click on it, and then you see setting, so again click on it. So we are in setting, and then you see privacy, so click on privacy. So we are in privacy section, and then you see app lock disable, so click on this. Now you see app lock open, and then you see unlock with biometric. When enable, you will need to use fingerprint, face or other unique identifier to open WhatsApp. You can still answer calls if WhatsApp is locked. Now enable this option. Now you see confirm biometric, scan your fingerprint, and then you see app lock enable, and then you see auto lock immediately after 1 minute, after 30 minutes. So you can select option according to requirement, and then you see show content in notification, enable this option. Now we select immediately option, and then we are going to close WhatsApp and then open it again. So this is our WhatsApp. Now you see unlock to use WhatsApp, scan your fingerprint, use pattern, and then you see WhatsApp open after security. Now you see WhatsApp open using fingerprint. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.